us consider one more problem. Solve the game using graphical method or graphically. Now, consider the problem. So, this is the payoff matrix of A is given here. Okay. So, B 2, 4, 2, 3, 3, 2, minus 2, 6, and here B, here A. Now, so what is given here? The payoff matrix of the A is given. So, solve the game using the graphical method. So, if you observe here, so whenever we solve using the graphical method, we have to consider the reference line. So, what is the criteria to find out the reference line? You have to see whether column has number of column equal to 2 or whether row has number of the row equal to 2. In this case, number of the rows is equal to 2. So, number of rows equal to 2. So, this number of the row equal to 2. So, we will be considering B as a reference line. But what is the player B's strategy? Player B will use minimax functions. Okay. Player B will use minimax function. Now, see here, player B has two strategies, B1 and B2. Player A has strategy A1, A2, A3, A4. So, player A has 4 strategies, player B has 2 strategies, and number of the rows equal to 2 here. So, we will be considering this as a reference line. So, this represents B. So, B uses the minimax functions. Okay. Now, consider the reference line. So, this represents B1 and this represents B2. And number, if you see here, you have minus 2 also. So, I will start from 0 here. So, 0 positive will be up to 6. So, this is 0 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here minus 1, minus 2. Minus 1, minus 2. Now, first B1 value is 2 and 2 and B2 value is 4. B2 value equal to 4. So, join this line. Then, B1 is 2 again. Okay. B2 is 3. B2 is here. B1 is 2. B2 is 3. So, this represents line number A1. This represents A2. Then, B1 is 3. B1 is 3. B2 is 2. So, it is here. So, this represents A3. Then, A4 is B1 is minus 2 and B2 equal to 6. So, here consider like this. Now, how will you find out the line? So, what is the reference line? Reference line is B. What is the strategy used by the B? Minimax function. So, max indicates use the upper boundary. Okay. Use the upper boundary. In the upper boundary, mini use indicates use the lower point. Okay. Upper boundary. So, you have to consider this region. This region. So, if you consider this region here, so it indicates consider the upper boundary. In this upper boundary, you consider the lower point. So if you observe here, in this upper boundary, the lower point is this one. How did you get to this point? You got this point from the intersection of A1 and from the intersection of A3. So intersection of A1 and intersection of A3. Okay. So retain this A1 and A3 and leave the remaining columns. So that we will get actually a 2 cross 2 matrix. If you get a 2 cross 2 matrix, then you can solve using this dominance principle formulas. So, yeah. What is the matrix now? Retain A1 and A3. So, the matrix will be 2, 4, 3, 2. So, this is your matrix. So, this indicates A1, this indicates A3, B1 and B2. Now, what is the value of V11? V11 is equal to 2. V12 is equal to 3. V21 is equal to 4. V22 is equal to 2. Now, substitute this in this equations and get the V value x1, y1, x2 and y2. So, V is equal to V11. So, 2 into V22. 2 minus V12. 3 into V21. 4 divided by V11. 2 plus V22. 2 minus V12. 3 plus V21. 4. So, 4 minus 3 fours are 12 divided by 4 minus 3 plus 3 6 7. So you will get here minus 8 by minus 3, which is equal to 2.66. This is the value of the game. Then you find out the x1. x1 is equal to V22. So 2 minus V21, 4 divided by this value itself. So minus 3. So this will be equal to minus 2 divided by minus 3. 2 by 3 will be equal to 0.66. Then what is y1? y1 equal to V22. V22 will be 2 minus V12. 3 divided by the value minus 3. So here it will be minus 1 divided by minus 3. 1 by 3 will be 0.33. Find out the value of x2. x2 equal to 1 minus x1. 1 minus, what is x1? 0.66. 1 minus 0.66 will be 0.34. Then y2 will be equal to 1 minus y1. 1 minus y1 will be 0.33. So y2 value will be equal to 0.67. Now, write down all the values here. V is equal to 2.66. x1 is equal to 0.66. Here x2 equal to 0.34. y1 equal to 0.33. y2 equal to 0.67. Now you just write down the optimal strategies. So optimal strategies are: first, value of the game is equal to value of the game is equal to V. So V is equal to 2.66. Write the optimal strategy. Optimal strategy for of A equal to, just write this. Then optimal strategy for B equal to write all the strategies. So what is the optimal strategy of A? The A has here 1, 2, 3, 4 strategies. So if you observe here 2, 3, 4, 2. 2, 2, 3, 4, 2. You have considered the first column and the third column. First column you have considered. So the optimal strategy of A will be, so here the optimal strategy of A will be here now y1. So point A will be x1. So this will be equal to, optimal strategy of this is y1. So y1 will be equal to, what is the value? 0.33, comma, and you have not used the first column. So this will be 0. You have not used the second column. You have used the second column. So this will be equal to 0.67, and you have not used the fourth column, 0. And optimal strategy of B will be now here x1. So x1 is 0.66 and x2 will be 0.34. So find out the value of the game, optimal strategy for A and the optimal strategy for B. So this is by using the graphical method. Thank you.
Reva University, one association for many great careers.